Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can insert notes into your spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So there are two ways how you can do this in 2026, guys. So one option would be to left click into the cell of the given table or a sheet and then navigate to insert, and at the bottom of it you will see this option, note. You may also use the shortcut Shift F2 for that. And here to the right you will see this field, right? So if you'd like to provide your coworker or one of your coworkers with some tips or instructions, type it here. All right, so type the text there, type it, press enter to skip to the next line, and you will see this small triangle in the top right corner of the cell indicating that there has been placed a note. You may hover your mouse over it, you don't need to click into it to access the note. If you'd like to keep typing, click into the note. You may also do the following, guys. You may click into right click into the given cell, and at the bottom you'll see the same option, insert note, and repeat the same process. Type in your text here, and that is going to place the note. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.